Hello, peoples. This is the Christmas story. It's brought to you by this woman right here. Hey man, you ain't in the picture. Where you at? Yeah, there we go.
I ain't got nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
Marvin's got camel humping the sheep.
I do not. Where you said camel in? Right there.
You had him humping the sheep.
He was not.
Yes, he was.
Anyway, one day, a long time ago, there was a Christmas tree, and it grew in the desert. They did not know how. Alien seed.
You were so cool.
And it had trimmings and stuff on it, all the way down to the outhouse.
It's not an outhouse, it's a manger.
The horse outhouse. So one day, the angel said, "Watch out, he's a coming. You are going to have a baby."
The angel was up to 2 feet.
This ain't about 2 feet, this is about the baby. You are going to be the baby daddy, but you ain't going to be involved in it. It will not be your seed or life. And so one day, the baby was born. Woo! And when the baby was born, the angel said, "Look up, the sky's on fire." Bam! Now back down to the tree.
You was so cool, it don't make no sense.
Three wise men came a-coming. Why is the sky on fire? I don't know. Why is the sky on fire? I guess the Lord mad at us. So they hopped on, all three of them hopped on that one little camel. You see him? You see the camel right here? That's why the camel was like a monkey in the face, like, oh my God! He had a stroke, and they rode the camel all the way to the horse outhouse. Meanwhile, on the other side of the land, the shepherd and his one sheep and cow was out chilling. They saw the sky on fire, and the shepherd was like, "The sky's on fire." He said, "Must be some money over there, but we gotta find out what it is." So he gets there, and as you see, they're all here. The shepherd wants to get the money. Yeah, you see that? That's the money. The money from these peoples, along with the frankincense, which is like, I don't know, something you eat with, and then the myrrh, which is like, you know, some type of bath soap. And that was the first Christmas. Brought to you by Lowe's for $20. That's not all, folks. We will end this show with the button. See that? Of course you can't. I will press it.
Nearly in the same country, shepherds abiding in their field, keeping watch over their flock by night. Jesus loves the little children. How little children everywhere. Brown, yellow, black and white, they're precious in His sight. Jesus loves the little children of the Lord. He's got the whole
world in His hands. Get the camera on my phone. You got something all back up because the sheep ran amok.
That's it, peoples. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.